Okay. Vaquera.
Sure. So, when you say you want to expand the authority of the DHS Secretary to deal with this problem, I'm assuming you mean expedite and streamline the process by which these folks can be processed through
You make the process more efficient.
Okay.
Yes.
But can you do anything about one of the bottom line issues here? And that is, these young people and their families, they come into the country, they cannot be turned back immediately. They essentially have to be dispersed either with family members who already live here throughout the country. They have to be dispersed throughout the country. You can't expedite the process, or can you, to the point where they never are introduced into American society, and therefore, you know, what some 80, 90% of them never show up for their judicial hearing.
Well, Mike, the law requires, this is an anti-trafficking law that was passed by Congress in 2008 and signed into law by the previous administration. So we should be clear about the law that this administration is enforcing. That law mandates how children from non-contiguous countries are treated in the immigration system. What we are seeking is for that process to be made more efficient. And there are a variety of ways in which that process can be made more efficient. Some of it by exercising authority that the administration already has, and some of it by exercising authority that the Secretary of Homeland Security seeks, but doesn't yet have. The bottom line, though, is that the law will be enforced. And what that means is it means that these children who have been apprehended will go through the immigration court process. And if they are found to not have a legal basis for remaining in this country, they'll be returned. I mean, it is fair to say that it's unlikely that most of the kids who go through this process will not qualify. It's unlikely that most of the kids who go through this process will qualify for humanitarian relief, which is to say that most of them will not have a legal basis, will not be found through that court process to have a legal basis to remain in this country.